So nice.
Here you go.
Yeah.
Alright.
Video. Okay lang, mute naman. Mute. It's muted. It's for my YouTube channel.
Once the video.
That's the line for the tram. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Stop.
In a tour.
So,
I have no idea.
Lily say
Lily.
audience.
Stop, man. Stop everyone. You won't get home safe, so you enjoy the rest of your day.
Normal lang. Malakadan tayo. Natural.
Can't believe it.
Wow. Hindi kita kayang ibon.
Sure.
Hindi na-adjust. Thank you so much. Catch na bird. So far, wala pang bird.
No?
Nasaan na mga bird?
These are cherry blossoms.
Oh my god.
Yeah, these aren't cherry blossoms. There's something else. I think cherry blossoms are kind of like pink and white. Those are like pure pink.
True.
Pretty. Yeah.
Blessed to be here with the nature. Indeed, look at that. Woo. Ah. Ooh.
Google.
Diba?
It's like in a hiking trail.
Then Pamela Forest. Tara. Oh, sige. March
13th. I started March 16th, that's why.
Yo.
When Mark gets really upset, like something's.
When to take video, it's different.
Yeah, that's true.
Tuwan tayo dyan. For my nephew.